Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen and this is entry number 21, and this is also coming from Maria Snook. And let's get into this. I'm trying, look at this, it says fragile. What did you do, girly? Is there a birthday cake in here? Is that why it's fragile? I wish. Oh my goodness, she is entry number 21. I'm trying hard not to show the addresses, guys, so bear with me. I'm putting it in there. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at all this purple yumminess. What in the world, lady? This is more than a memory dex. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to move it to the side. And oh look. So she even labeled this is the memory dex, so I'll open that one last. Oh my gosh. I'm a hot mess. My table is crowded. Okay, so we're gonna move it to the back behind me. So here's the card. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Let me pull these out, okay? I'll be back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at all these beautiful goodies right here. Look at all of that. This is insane. I would be happy with just this. So happy with just this. You have overwhelmed me with so much love, Maria. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where do I start? Start with the card. Let's start with the card. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. You guys. Oh my goodness. It's a handmade card. Look. Oh, girly, that is gorgeous. It's holographic, guys. It's a cupcake. Purple rose cupcake. Oh my gosh, let me read. Okay, here, look. P.S. Happy birthday. Hi, Eileen. I hope you are doing good. So I made a memory dex for my entry to your challenge, but I wanted to include a few extras. I have been working on the items over the last few months, and I know you were the perfect home for them. I hope you'll enjoy them. I truly enjoy your channel. You are a kind-hearted soul. Take care and crafty hugs. Maria Snook. Oh my gosh. Maria. Oh my goodness. I got goosebumps, you guys. This is so crazy. This is so generous, Maria. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm not gonna open our memory decks till the end, so let me slide this pretty boy right in here. Oh, look at the back. Made with Love by Scrapbook Nut 2002. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, Maria. Gosh. Let's see. Let's start with the one in front of me, which is this one right here. Yeah, none of them are numbered, so this gorgeous purple raffia. You know, Maria, I'm gonna keep this. This is gorgeous. I'm totally keeping this. Oh my gosh, let me get a bucket so I can put our little raffia in the bucket. And these purple shades, just beautiful. Thank you, Maria. You guys, Maria's Scrapbook Nut, and you just saw it on her card. And I love, love, love her stuff, guys. You gotta check out her channel. Oh my gosh. She's a beautiful crafter, very talented. And what in the world? What in the world? Oopsies. What is this? What? Is this the Paige Evans collection? There's vellum, guys. Look at her beautiful embellishments right here. Her blingy bling, I love it. This is the Paige Evans collection. I don't remember. Bloom Street, maybe? If I'm wrong, let me know. This is beautiful. Just the box alone is beautiful. Look at that. You got the little thumb holes here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she made me an embellishment box. Oh my gosh, look at her flags. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my voice. Look at the beautiful stitching she has on here, guys. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous stitching. I told you her work is beautiful. And then she has this gorgeous little bow charm. The little flower eyelet there. Everything's beautiful purple. Oh my gosh. She has the We Are Memory Keepers, I think. The alpha, what's it called? Punch. So you can make words with it. This is beautiful. Butterflies. Oh, Maria, that's just one thing. This video is gonna be forever. Here's another one. Oh my goodness, it says brave. This one said happy, brave. So they're all the same styles, guys. This is the same collection. Love her layering. Oh my goodness. Look at this bead. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? This one says heart. Oh my gosh, she made flags. Oh my gosh. They're diamond dust flag tips. Oh, this is so beautiful, Maria. How am I supposed to use this stuff, woman? Look at all of this. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at her charms, guys. These are so beautiful, Maria. Oh, look at this one. So this is just an epoxy sticker that she made. The paper is on the back, and then on top of the epoxy sticker, she added another sticker, and it has those little piece of blings on here. Oh my gosh, this box is full, and it's only one box, guys. Oh, look at this one, and it already has the lobster clasp. So she has some silver and some gold. It's beautiful collection. Oh my goodness, Maria. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is just gorgeous, gorgeous shades of purples and blues. Beautiful. And then all the touches of the diamond dust, right? Diamond dust. Just different lengths of these little flags, guys. Just a beautiful idea. I mean, oh my goodness. Look at all of this. Just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, Maria. She says she's been working on this for months, and she decided to give it to me. All this hard work. Are you kidding? Oh, I love you, girl. Thank you so much for thinking I deserve your hard work. This is beautiful. Oh, look at all these buttons. Oh, look at little bear face and hearts. These are on top of the epoxy stickers. She's got these itty bitty stars on here. Can you guys see those stars? Oh my gosh, I wish my camera would work properly. But there's just so many. These fabric buttons, I bet you she made them. Look at that. Beautiful. I love purple, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make you all love purple by the end of my birthday giveaway. And then look at her flowers. She gave me some purple foam flowers and some white ones. You guys, I'm super slow because I just want to enjoy everything. Oh my gosh, and some pink ones. Maria, oh my goodness. This is so much work, not only to make the items, but to make the box. Oh my goodness. I greatly appreciate this. This is so thoughtful and beautiful. Oh, that was a little one, guys. That was just one. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, I just tied it in a knot. Wonderful. You hate when that happens. Such a beautiful presentation, you guys. This is so beautiful. I am keeping all of this. If you think I'm lying, think again. This is gorgeous. I've never seen purple raffia, especially with that color. So here we go. And I think I want to do something with these tissue papers. Like, not necessarily reuse as packaging, but I think I want to do something with it because these are gorgeous shades of purple for me. Like, seriously. So, let's see if I can get to that beautiful project that I'm thinking about. Let's see what this is. So beautifully packaged. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's going to take me all night. All night long. All night. All night long. Yes. Come join the party, see how play. Oh, goodness! What? Look at how well this traveled. You guys, she had it packaged so beautifully in the box. This is gorgeous. She used the Michael's tags, it looks like, or maybe not. Maybe not. No, I think she made these tags, guys. But okay, so there's this gorgeous puffy heart. She made a puffy heart. Oh my goodness. And then look at her beautiful trim. Oh, this is so beautiful. Maria, look at this tassel. Oh my gosh, girl. Okay, so how do we... I think this is supposed to slide. Am I wrong? I think... I don't want to break it. I think so. Is it supposed to come out of this one? I don't know, Maria. Okay, here. Okay, here we got it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I don't want to open it, guys. They're beautiful miniature flowers, the ones like Christian makes. Oh my gosh, I have to open it. Oh yes, Maria, you are so smart. Look at that. Look at you. You're so smart. Thank you so much for doing that. Oh my gosh, I just want to get one out. Let me just get one out and I'll be so happy. Okay, maybe two. Look at these beautiful little teeny tiny flowers. You guys, so simple, but so beautiful and so time consuming. I know this takes a lot of time, girly. Beautiful talent to put these things together. I'm not gonna take, oh no, these are staying in the bag, Maria. You made it so beautiful. And then this little taggy thing, what? Where did you get that idea? And then she shared some twine with me, or some thread. And so these are embossing thread, or not embossing, embroidery threads right here, these three. And this is like a twine, like a thicker thread. Thicker thread. Oh my gosh. Look at the back of this baggie. It's super tiny. It has little tiny doilies on there. Can you guys see all that? Oh my gosh, I need to hurry up. Oh my goodness, there's so much to look at, Maria. There's gonna be a part 2, girl. Oh my gosh, look at this. Itty bitty bows. Oh, thank you, Maria. They're in Velcro. These are the baby bows. Oh my gosh, I was just looking for those things for my little niece. Oh, look at these flowers. Oh my god. So gorgeous, guys. There's even little pink, teeny tiny, let me see. These teeny tiny little pink bows. You see that? And then on the back is doilies. But these flowers, so pretty, Maria. Oh my goodness, girly. She gifted me some pom-poms. This is adorable. Some die cuts, some glitter die cut wreaths. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's some pink vine wreaths. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's glittered too, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, look at these. So pretty, Maria. Girly, this is so much. Oh, look at the purple. Oh, that is gorgeous. There's 2 different style wreaths in there, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna come back with a part 2. It might even be a part 3 because there's so much to look at, and there's so many details in these beautiful packages. So please come back for part 2 and most likely part 3. I'll be back.